Hi everyone, I'm going to share you this photo here and this one. I weigh 75 kilos and this is the early 2000. Today it's 2013, it's 10 years almost. And those old photos is me when I was still living in the Philippines. And I look like this right now. I lost 30 kilos the first year, and I have gained and lost a little bit back and forward, but today I have been staying more than 2 years the same shape, more or less. And now I am finally going back to Philippines, and I want to look my best. And one wish that I had was to have a six pack. And now I can actually achieve it a little bit easier when I have less fat on my body. But that's what I want to have. I want to have a six pack when I go back to the Philippines, or look a little bit more healthier. Look at like a runner or a healthy, fitted person, dance person with a little bit more muscle. And I hope you, I hope that I will see, and of course that you will see any changes after 100 days. I'm excited to see if I will manage to see any difference, or if any difference will be seen. But right now I look like this, and we will see in 100 days how the result will be.
So let's go see it. Hi everyone, I'm going to do 100 squats, and it's my day 100, and we begin doing squats then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then turn again. Forty, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 50 squat. Just going to relax my legs a little bit, and then we're going again. Turn this way. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's 60, and you can feel it burning. Okay, 40 left. 6.
You want to come?
Go away.
I was asking if you want to come.
I don't know, I just need to stop. I just going to show you what I'm seeing. Is that a dead bird? How do I go closer? I'll get closer. I think that is a dead bird. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't. Because I think it's a dead bird and then another bird going to eat it. I think so. I really believe that it looks really like that bird is going to eat that bird. So I start over again. 40. Okay. Or 1. I'm going to watch this one because it's really interesting to see if I do. But Daniel is going to try to catch it on camera. Okay, again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 30 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I really feel it in my ass. Last 10, then we are on 100. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So that was my 100 squat on day 100. So hi everyone, so I showed you how I did my squats. A little bit confusing, I know, but now I'm going to do some regular sit-ups or stomach crunches that I do usually every day. No, I really don't do it every day. But when I do have time for it, or when I do sit and watch some vlogs or anything on TV, or watching a movie, and I do some squats as well. But the first one I usually do is just warm up, and then I will just squat and touch my and 12. So that's 12. The next one I usually do come up, and then I try to hold my balance, and I can feel my stomach is on pressure. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I go back and lie. And then I do the same again. 1. Oh, you need to feel it burn. Okay. And up again. The last set. So that was 12 sets. No, it was 12 in 3 sets. And it's not going so smooth like other YouTube people out there, but yeah, this is my tempo and I have 100 days to improve. So I did I do this, and I will do this exercise and the squat today. And one more thing I want to do, but I want to rest my stomach a little bit more before I go to the next exercise. The next exercise is actually one of the classic one, and that's actually to just stand flat as long as you possibly can. You can stand flat. But what I like to do is to have you can have your arms straightened or however you want to. But you operated on my right hand, so this position is still a difficult position for me to do because it's putting quite a lot of pressure and it still hurts. And that's one of the positions I usually do, but right now I'm just using this version on my elbows instead. So there we go. 20 seconds at least. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So then I have shown you 3 ways to do some abs that I'm going to do the whole day in different parts, but I'm going to do them 100 and we will see. But one more thing that I usually do also is this one. I love to do it. I usually do this one as often as I can because it's just a nice exercise for your lower part. I really don't know what it's called, but then you start with first one up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's 30. So that's some of the exercise that I'm going to do today, and like you saw before, I'm doing them as much as possible I can in the time I'm going to exercise for today. And this is nothing I recommend for everybody because I'm doing this for myself, and I will try. Oh my god, the bird is gone now. Yeah, the bird is gone. Yeah, but I will do my exercise and I'll hope that they can maybe help you, but I'm not a professional, so I doing this again for my personal gain, for myself to feel proud of myself when I do come back to the Philippines. But this is the first day of my exercise of countdown. It went a little bit slower than I wanted it to be because I have been sick this couple of days. So I'm just doing some muscular training today. So today I have been focused on my abs and on my butt and lower part of my body. I will tomorrow, if I will have a better shape tomorrow, I will probably go out and do my jogging. So, but today I will go slow. I will do my crunches, 100 crunches and more if I could manage to do that. And I will do those exercises that I have shown you. I have no idea what they call, but I'm doing those kind of exercises and I will do them in some sets that are feeling comfortable for me right now. But that's all for today, so I will see you tomorrow.